Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video presentation. Here I will talk about myself and my lab project. I am Muhammad Bariul Munshi, ID 201153314. I live in Dhaka with my family and my home district is Faridpur. I have completed my SSC and HSC from Faridpur. My school name was Bhanga Pilot High School and my college name was Faridpur Government Rajanda College. Now I am studying Bachelor in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University, which is situated in Ashulia. Okay, no more intro. Let's talk about my lab project. My project idea name was Organ Study. In this lab project, I have developed a organ study app based on augmented reality. This app there will show output as a 3D models and structure. The most satisfying matter is the user can interact with this model by text. My dedicated users are medical students who can use this app without any payments or any subscription fee. Let's talk about app feature. I include 3D model, add sound, AR camera, animation, 3D organ model. Let's talk about advantage. The main advantage of this app, student can use this app freely and there is no hassle using. Moreover, through this app, students can introduce with human organs easily. Now let's talk about why do people use this app. The main reason is this app is free and there is no hassle. Student can easily use it and easily download it from Play Store. Now let's see final outcome of this app. Thank you for watching this video.